Namaste and welcome. In this video, we shall discuss BSc Mathematics 5th semester syllabus and examination pattern for the academic year 2021 prescribed by Karnataka University, Dharwad. For BSc 5th semester PCM combination program, we have three subjects, namely physics, chemistry and mathematics. In physics, theory as well as practicals are there. In theory, there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2, 100 marks each. Out of 100, 20 marks for internal assessment and 80 marks for term end examination. In practicals, again two papers, paper 1 and paper 2, 50 marks each. 10 marks for internal assessment and 40 marks for term end practical examination. Similar is the case with chemistry, theory and practicals. 2 papers in theory, 2 papers in practical, 100 marks for theory papers each and 50 marks for practical papers each, similar to physics. In mathematics, we have only theory papers and 3 papers, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, 100 marks each. Out of 100, 20 marks for internal assessment and 80 marks for term end examination. Totally in this 5th semester course, you will study physics 2 papers, chemistry 2 papers and mathematics 3 papers, 7 theory papers and physics 2 practicals and chemistry 2 practicals. Let us look at the BSc 5th semester mathematics syllabus in detail. As we told already, we have 3 papers in mathematics, namely paper 1 real analysis, paper 2 numerical analysis, paper 3 statics and Laplace transforms. Let us look at paper 1 in detail. Paper 1 real analysis. In this paper we have 3 units. Unit 1 the Riemann integration, Unit 2 improper integrals and Unit 3 beta gamma functions and multiple integrals. Let us look at each unit in paper 1 real analysis. Unit 1 the Riemann integration. Topics are the upper and lower sums, necessary and sufficient conditions for integrability, algebra of integrable functions, integrability of continuous and monotonic functions, fundamental theorem of integral calculus, change of variables, integration by parts, the first and second mean value theorems of integral calculus. Time allocated for this unit is 20 hours. In unit 2, that is improper integrals, the topics are improper integrals of the first and second kind, comparison test, Abel's test and Dirichlet test. Time allocated for this unit is 10 hours. In unit 3, that is beta, gamma functions and multiple integrals, the topics are beta and gamma functions, differentiation under integral sign, integration under integral sign, double and triple integrals, area and volumes. Time allocated for this unit is 10 hours. Totally paper 1 40 hours. Let us look at examination pattern of paper 1. As you see in this table, Question paper will have 3 questions. First question 2 marks questions. 8 questions will be given and you have to answer only 5. In second question 5 marks questions. 12 questions will be given and you have to answer only 8. The third question is 10 marks questions. 5 questions will be given and you have to answer only 3. So first question 10 marks, second question 40 marks, third question 30 marks, totally 80 marks. If you look at the unit wise weightage, first unit carries 66 marks weightage, out of which 3 2 marks questions, 6 5 marks questions and 3 10 marks questions. Second unit carries 29 marks, out of which 2 2 marks questions, 3 5 marks questions and 1 10 marks question. The third unit carries 31 marks, out of which 3 2 marks questions, 3 3 marks questions and 1 10 marks question. Totally question paper will have 126 marks, but you have to write only for 80 marks. Lot of choices will be there in the question paper, so go through topic wise weightage and prepare thoroughly. Let us move to paper 2, numerical methods. In this paper there are 4 units. Unit 1, solution of nonlinear equations. Unit 2, solution of a system of linear equations. Unit 3, finite differences. Unit 4, numerical differentiation and integration and curve fitting. Let's see the unit wise topics in detail. First unit, solution of nonlinear equations. The topics are solution of nonlinear equations, algebraic and transcendental equations. In this we have 4 methods: interval halving method, secant method, Newton's method and fixed point iteration method. Time allocated for this unit is 10 hours. Unit 2, solution of a system of linear equations. In this unit we have 3 methods, 2 direct methods and 1 iteration method, namely Gauss elimination method, Gauss-Jordan method, Gauss-Seidel iteration method. Time allocated for this unit is again 10 hours. Unit 3, finite differences. In this unit topics are definition and properties of operators del, nabla and e, relations among them, the nth difference of a polynomial, separation of operators, Newton-Gregory's forward and backward difference interpolation formulae, Lagrange's interpolation formula. Time allocated for this unit is 10 hours. The last unit is numerical differentiation and integration and curve fitting. Topics in this unit are curve fitting by least square method, numerical differentiation using forward and backward difference formulae, computation of first and second derivatives, numerical integration, trapezoidal rule, Simpson's rule. Time allocated for this unit is 10 hours. Let us look at examination pattern of paper 2. As you see in this table, question paper pattern is similar to paper 1. 3 questions again, 2 marks question 10 marks, 5 marks questions 40 marks, 10 marks questions 30 marks. If you look at the unit wise weightage, first unit carries 34 marks, out of which 2 2 marks questions, 4 5 marks questions and 1 10 mark question. Unit 2 carries 29 marks, out of which 2 2 marks questions, 3 5 marks questions and 1 10 marks question. Unit 3 carries 44 marks, out of which 2 marks questions 2, 4 marks questions 5, 10 marks questions 2. Fourth unit carries 19 marks, out of which 2 marks questions 2, 5 marks questions 1, 10 marks questions 1. Totally 126 marks question paper, but you have to write only 80 marks. Let's move on to paper 3, statics and Laplace transforms. In this paper, there are only 2 units. Unit 1 statics, Unit 2 Laplace transforms. Let us look at each unit now in detail. First unit, statics. Topics are couple, movement of a couple, Varignon's theorem, resultant of coplanar couples, resultant of a force and a couple, resultant of a system of coplanar forces acting at different points of a rigid body, conditions of equilibrium, finding the equation of the line of action of the resultant, catenary and common catenary. 20 hours. Second unit, Laplace transforms. Topics are basic properties, Laplace transforms of some common functions, periodic functions, derivative and integral of a function, Heaviside function and Dirac delta function, convolution theorem, inverse Laplace transforms, Laplace transform method of solving differential equation of first and second order with constant coefficients. 20 hours. Let us look at examination pattern of paper 3. As you see in this table, examination pattern for this paper is similar to paper 1 and paper 2. First question 2 marks questions 10 marks. Second question 5 marks questions 40 marks. Third question 10 marks questions 30 marks. Both the units carry equal marks 63 each. In first unit 2 marks questions 4, 5 marks questions 6, 10 marks questions 2 and half. In second unit 2 marks questions 4, 5 marks questions 6, 10 marks questions 2 and half. References for these 3 papers. For paper 1, Shanti Narayan, A Course of Mathematical Analysis, S. Chand and Company publication. S.L. Gupta and Nisha Rani, Fundamental Real Analysis. Golden Series, Real Analysis. For paper 2, S.S. Shastri, Introductory Methods of Numerical Analysis, Prentice Hall of India publication. N. Rudraya and others, College Mathematics 1 and 2. M.K. Jain, Numerical Methods for Scientific and Engineering, Wiley Eastern publication. H.C. Saxena, Calculus of Finite Analysis, S. Chand and Company publications. For paper 3, M. Ray and P.T. Chandi, Statics. N. Rudraya and others, College Mathematics for BSc Series, 3rd. SBS Publication Company, Bangalore. M. G. Smith, Laplace Transform Theory, Van Nostrand. Thank you for watching this video. For notifications, you can subscribe and hit bell icon on this channel, Aganita.